The Kite Festival originated in the Tang Dynasty in China. It has a history of more than 2,000 years. The Weifang Kite Festival meeting is held in Weifang on the third Saturday of April every year. More than 30 countries and regions from all over the world participate. April the 17th in 2021 is the 38th Weifang International Kite Festival. Let's take a look at the colorful kites in the Weifang Binhai flying field. First of all, how crowded the roads of the Weifang Binhai flying field are. Let's first enjoy the auto show. According to a friend, he traveled less than 100 m in 5 hours. The next thing to introduce is this leading kite, the world's largest kite, which is more than 300 meters long and 8 meters high. It needs a team of 50 or 60 people to fly. The key is a... Or have you ever seen a kite that can be controlled?
Number 4. Number 3.
Ivan Weifang. Everything can fly in the sky.
Number 1.
一杯天上的水，照着明月人世间，晃呀晃，爱恨不过是一瞬间，红尘里飘摇。
On the night of April 18, 2021, the thousands of drones performed on Weifang People's Square were even more dazzling.